Now we will do Ardha matsyendrasana. For that, first of all, you need to bend the right leg from the knee. Now bring your left foot behind your right leg and place the right leg next to the knee of your left leg. Now lock right leg with the left hand and try to keep the right hand on the waist. Turn your face backward. Your shoulder and knee should be in a one line. And hold in this position for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now open the locked hands. Bring the hands forward. Now relax your legs and sit in Dandasana position.